Wait, why does it say attach? Click on attach. Click on, yes. No, that works. Oh, so your username and password and database are the same name?
Yes, I didn't want to
Mhm.
make a
Cool,
username and password. Just let it.
cool. That works out. Yes. So yeah. Now basically you saw what it did, right? It
Yeah,
actually connected to the database, got all the account numbers and their corresponding balances, and printed it out in a Python environment, right?
gotcha. Okay.
So given those values, we can do anything, right? Given that now we have actual programming access to those values.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Who else?
I'm still having issues here.
Show me. I think I have a fix because Divyastri's issue gave me an idea about your
All right, give
machine.
me 1 second. Let me get Zoom launched on my computer here.
I know. It's weird. But again, as I said, you guys don't need to use Visual Studio or Python. If you're comfortable with C++ or Java, use that. Or if you want, you can use C++ with Visual Studio in your for your database environment. Use ODBC or JDBC. I just find Python a lot more easier to connect to a database compared to those other things. But again, it's up to you. I really won't mind. But for this class, I will be looking into basically only Visual Studio stuff.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new project again.
Python application, create that. Okay, type out, yeah. And yours, Edward, yours is a MariaDB database, right?
I believe so. Oof.
Okay,
And then what I've got installed was the MariaDB.
yep,
So
yep, yep, yep. Okay, type out that connector information. Put in your username and password. Alex, let me come to you after I'm done with fixing Edward's thing. We've been having issues for a while. Okay. Now, Edward, try running it. Try starting the code and see what.
you want me to leave it on Python 3.9 still?
Yes, let's do it with 3.9. Yeah.
Still.
Oh, right. We had the 3.9 issue. Click on the 3.9 thing. Select something else. Add environment. Existing environment. Click on whatever comes first. 3.8.
3.7 go.
Let's go with Python 3.8. I have no idea where your 3.7 went. But okay, run this.
There's my still
Yes,
no module.
that is a good error.
That's a
Let's
good error.
close.
Okay.
Yes. Now close this. Okay, click on the Python 3.8 one, not the Python 3.9. Python 3.8 overview. PyPy. No, PyPy. Yes. Search for MariaDB. Pip install MariaDB. Yes. Now run it again.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. That's sorted. So whenever you have this issue, so I would suggest you close this one again and create a new project because your 3.7 just went kaput. So close this one again. Let's just start it afresh. So whenever you're writing any code that involves any database stuff, just open up Visual Studio, create a new project, Python application.
Yep.
Next. Ooh, what's that?
That's for my fan. Control my fan speeds.
Ah.
Yeah. Don't ask me to give feedback on Visual Studio.
Select on Python 3.8 on the right hand side. Yep. And now That is, I don't think you need to do anything else. Just type in
I'll
the
probably
thing.
have
Yeah.
to change this environment.
Oh, that went away. That's interesting. Yeah, click on that one. Yes, remember that this is the environment that has your MariaDB installed. Okay. And yep, it should work because MariaDB is not giving any error. Yes. Run it. Yeah, print statement. Yeah.
All right, there we go. That works. Now I just have to figure out what my login is here because obviously that's not connecting. Is it?
Wait, I'm just looking at the.
Well, I don't know. It didn't give an error. So.
Yep, that works. That works perfectly. Perfect.
Cool. Thank you.
Perfect. Oh, you're welcome. Okay. Oh, Yogi, what is that?
Oh, it's a code to get information about prescription for the Geyser data table
Ooh,
to randomly
that is-
generate data. That's what.
Oh, that is cool. I have to mess around with that. Hey, thanks. Let's save
Yeah.
this.
No problem.
Okay.
Professor,
So this is. Give me one
sorry.
quick so this is this is Yogi. This is Python code, is it? Without any curl options. What code is this?
Oh, it's Python. Yeah, you're
Python.
using the requests module, so it lets
So
you.
we need to import what? A curl
Requests.
or requests? Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah,
Who was it?
Professor, I've
Mhm.
been using MySQL. So how to connect to the MySQL one because my MariaDB doesn't open in this.
Basically, pip install MySQL.
No, I'm asking about in the Visual Studio thing connection.
Yes. The same thing that we did. Going to so show me your screen.
Yeah, just a minute. So yeah.
Yes, you don't import MariaDB anymore. You would import MySQL.
Oh my bad. MySQL. And
yes, give me a second. Let me give you MySQL.connector actually. But let me first give you the thing that you need to search for. I think it is MySQL connector Python. Okay, so I'll in the chat window you see that the thing that I just posted. Copy that, and in your Python environments window where you typed in MariaDB, paste that in.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Run command install Python, MySQL Python.
Yep. Install.
And now what you need to do is import. Let me get you the code. So import MySQL.connector.
Okay. I'll use import twice.
Yes, and essentially type in this thing. So you don't need to. I think the host is that thing, but essentially the command is something like this. So host equals to well, localhost, that is default, but you can just put that in as well. Database is equal to your database name. Instead of MySQL, it would be banking in your case. Username, password, everything else should be your username and password, and port should be 3306. So just copy this part in. My con equals to mysql.connector.connect.
Okay.
And put in your details. Localhost is fine. No, host equals
Oh, is it fine?
That's
Okay.
fine. That's basically connecting back to your machine because the database is on your machine. It's fine. Database name, this should be, in my case, it was banking database. In your case, I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, it's banking.
Banking. Okay. And username and password.
Okay.
And I believe yours is the just the MySQL installation, right? So your port number is going to be 3306. I hope it is. So try running it now.
Oh, where is the start thing?
Stop it. You see, go right.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Now start it. Gives you an error. Unknown database banking.
Banking. I think I have to check that again.
Double check that.
Oh, so the
Oh,
port
it's
is 3305.
3305. Yes,
Yeah.
that might be the thing. So change your
but the
port
database is banking.
Yeah, database is banking. So change your port number to 3305. So put in a comma after password. Yeah, that thing. Put in a comma and port equals to 3305. Just the integer, no double quotes, no,
Okay.
not a string, just an integer. Yes, stop it and run it again.
Oh, this.
Yep. I did it. So try running the rest of the code that I had put in the chat. Try that, and if that works, then you would be able to load data from the database into your program.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Professor.
Oh, you're welcome. Alex, I've been missing you out for a long while. Show me your screen. I need to see what's going on. Okay, so that is fine. I think you have not installed a Python package. Close this. Wait though. Keep this window open. Keep this window open. Go to Start menu. Let me double check if you have Python or not. Go to Start menu. Go to Start menu and open up Visual Studio. Just search in Visual Studio. It should come up. Yes, that one. Create a new project. Do one thing. You see that C++ up top, the drop down menu C++. Yes, click on that. Click on Python. Oh, you have it. Yes. Click on that Python application.